So this is the second attempt. Let's see. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So not bad, isn't it? I think it's okay because last time, there's the remaining of the screw, and this is it. Yeah, totally. That is okay. I think so. So let me show you the last one. This one was the very first one. As you can see, it's really tiny, and this is the second one, the second attempt. I think it's really good. Now I know I need to increase the diameter of the main spool, and also I just need to put more plastic. Right, it will be great, I guess. Yeah, I haven't added any colors, that's why it's like little transparent looking. It's polypropylene. Yeah, it's good. I'm happy. I'm really